Okay, wonderful people, I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm actually moving out of my apartment. Like, I feel so sad. I feel like this is my baby. I came here, I fell in love with it, and it just fits me naturally. Like, I really love this apartment. So I decided to do no, I don't know if I'll call it the move out apartment tour. I guess it's a move out apartment tour. It's an empty apartment tour because I've moved out of the apartment. So I was like, yeah, you know, I can do an apartment tour now. So I'm by the windows. I'm like, let me get some natural lighting to feel my face. But yeah. Ooh, I should open the windows. Nah, I'm not opening the windows when I'm filming because I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna miss my apartment. It's my baby. So nice. So, you know, cute. But yeah, I'm about to do an empty apartment tour and you see what my previous apartment looks like because I've literally moved into a new one now. And then when I move, what am I saying? And then when I move out of that new one, I will do another empty apartment tour, I guess. But yeah. No lighting. You can see the difference between lighting, no lighting, lighting, no lighting. Okay, so we're literally going to start from the entrance because I'm in love with this. Oops. I'm in love with this apartment. It's so nice. First, you got the fridge. So it's basically a fully furnished apartment right here. Because you have all the, what's it called? Amenities such as fridge, cooker, dishwasher, microwave. So that's just some general things that you find in every apartment. But then again, what makes it fully furnished is that it comes with the furniture, all this furniture, you know, the chair set, and there's a bed in the bedroom as well. Nice curtains. The bathroom right here. Nice. Oops, don't look at me. This is me right here. Hi. Hello. Nice bathroom. Not that big, but nice. Okay. Hey, me. Hi, Esther. I don't know why I just said hi to myself. And let's close the bathroom. Bedroom 1. Ooh, I wish I had like a nicer lighting. But yeah. So fully furnished, there's bed, a mattress. Nice, another mirror. Oops, let me zoom out a bit so that you see what I'm saying. Can see everything in full. This is like an air purifier. Okay, nicey. Nice, nicey. Alrighty, nicey. Nice. Bedroom 2. The gun. I'm making myself laugh. Nice. The bed. The closet. I love this apartment so much. It was one of my nicest apartments. The bedrooms are kind of a bit small, but the apartment itself is actually quite nice, you know. Got the washer and dryer in it. So yeah, I purposely left this open so that, you know, fresh air can, I don't know, they just advise you to leave your washer open when you're done. So yeah, this is the apartment. Very short apartment, but that's what the apartment looks like. Empty. It was a fully furnished apartment, and I moved out, so that's why I decided to share the video. Oh yeah, apartment tour, quick walk, bedroom, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, washing, dryer, toilet, and we're done. Boom.